In this video, we'll describe functions and clearly define domain and range. A function is like a machine. It takes an input, applies a rule, and gives an output. Let's build a simple function machine. For example, if the rule is y equals x squared, we write f of x equals x squared. Let's display that rule. The domain is the set of all valid inputs. The range is the set of all possible outputs. Let's show the domain and the range. Let's use a small mapping diagram to make this concrete. We'll take three inputs, -2, 0, and 2, and map them through y equals x squared. Now, connect each input to its output. -2 maps to 4, 0 maps to 0, 2 maps to 4. Example 1, y equals x squared. The domain is all real numbers because any real number can be squared. The range is all y values greater than or equal to 0 because squares are never negative. Let's show this on a graph. Because the graph extends left and right forever, the domain is all real numbers. Because the lowest point is at 0, the range is y greater than or equal to 0. Example 2, y equals the square root of x. Here, x must be 0 or greater because we cannot take the square root of a negative number. So the domain is x greater than or equal to 0, and the range is also y greater than or equal to 0. Let's see its graph. So for y equals square root of x, the domain is from 0 to infinity, and the range is from 0 to infinity. Summary: a function maps each input to exactly one output. The domain is every input that works, and the range is every output that appears. Thanks for watching.